Hello students, myself Trupti Patel from Arihant College of Arts, Commerce and Science. Today we are going to study impurity defect. First let us study introduction. Impurity defect arises when foreign atoms, that is atoms different from the host atoms, are present in the crystal lattice. There are two kinds of impurity defect. First, substitutional impurity defect and second, interstitial impurity defect. Let us study each in detail. First, substitutional impurity defect. In this defect, the foreign atoms are found at the lattice site in place of host atoms. The regular atoms are displaced from their lattice site by impurity atoms. We'll study substitutional impurity defect with examples. First, solid solutions of metals, and second, vacancy through allovalent impurity. First, we'll study solid solution of metals. We also called as alloys. Brass is an alloy of copper and zinc. In brass, copper atoms are replaced by impurity of zinc atoms. Here the host is copper. The zinc atoms occupy regular site of atoms. Here you can see in the diagram. Next, vacancy through allovalent impurity. Vacancies are created by the addition of impurities, allovalent ions, to an ionic solid. Now, what is the meaning of allovalent ions? Allovalent ions are the ions with the oxidation state different from that of host ion. Now, observe the diagram. Here, strontium chloride impurity is added to sodium chloride during crystallization. Strontium ions occupy some regular sites of sodium. Now, to maintain electrical neutrality, every strontium ion removes two sodium ions. So, out of two positions or site, one is occupied by strontium ion and one is left vacant. Now you can see in the diagram there is one vacancy created. Second, we are going to study interstitial impurity defect. The impurity atoms occupy interstitial spaces of lattice structure. Observe the diagram. We'll study this with the help of example. Stainless steel. In steel, that is, atoms occupy normal lattice sites. The carbon atoms are present at interstitial space. Now you can observe the diagram where iron in its original shape or the regular lattice structure and the carbon atoms has occupied interstitial space. Thank you.